Hi, I'm Robert, and today I want to show you how to make this border cake decoration that is very requested and very easy to make. This type of decoration works best on creams that harden when cold, so butter-based creams, buttercream, ganache, or even cream cheese because that has some butter in it and it hardens enough at cold. We have to start with a cake that is frosted and as level as it can be, and the cream on the cake needs to be hard, so the cake is cold from the fridge, and the cream that I'll use to make the border is warm. Here you can play with whatever colors you want. I will make a taller blue border and a thinner, lighter blue border, so you can see how you can apply multiple colors on the same cake. And on the cake you can also use a piping bag to apply the cream, but I like to use a spatula directly. How do I say this? If you make two layers, the first one needs to be taller and the second one thinner. If not, you just make one border as thick or as thin as you like. And I just spread the cream as high as I want. As I said, because I'm making two layers, the first one will be taller. I'm trying to apply a pretty thick layer so I have enough later when I level it. It doesn't have to It doesn't have to be at exactly the same height everywhere. It's actually desired to undulate a little. Okay, and then either with a spatula, but even better with a scraper, I start to level the cream, removing small layers until it's nice and smooth. Remove little by little. If you scrape too much, you risk to damage it. This is the first layer. I'll clean the board and put the cake in the fridge so the first layer hardens, and then I can apply the second layer. After you finish the decoration with one or two or however many colors you want, let the cream harden and finish decorating the cake. I would like to thank the channel members here on YouTube and the members on Patreon for all their support. And if you want to support the channel too, the donations start from €1 a month. I'll see you as usual in the next one. Bye bye.